So let me show you how to enable iMessage on your iPhone. So if you go into settings, then under settings, you scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. And then under apps, you scroll down and look for the messages application, tap on it, and then you will see iMessage. So you want to make sure this toggle button is enabled. And once it's enabled, you want to make sure you set the send and receive addresses. So you can tap there and then set it up. You want to give it a couple of moments to check out the current situation. You need to have Wi-Fi enabled or mobile data network enabled, basically an internet connection on your phone to be able to set it up. Now, once you give it a couple of moments, you can see the channels to send iMessage and to reply from. Those have been set. They're going to be set to your phone number and your email address. This is your Apple ID email address. Okay. So once those are set, you can now go back and now we have iMessage enabled. It's really that simple. So now when you send a message to someone, you can see it says iMessage here. That means it's going to send an iMessage to that contact who also has an iPhone and they have iMessage. Thanks for watching and good luck.